In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear history in Reddit. Whether you're using Reddit on a shared device, you want a bit more privacy, or you just like keeping things tidy, clearing your history is a quick and simple process once you know where to look. First, open the Reddit app or website and make sure you're logged into your account. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your avatar or a simple profile symbol, depending on your settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and select it. Settings is where Reddit keeps all the controls for your account, including things like notifications, appearance, and most importantly for this video, your privacy options. It may take a moment to load, especially on slower connections, so just wait until the settings page is fully visible. Once you're in settings, find and click on the section called Privacy. This is where Reddit groups all the tools that help you manage what information is saved and how it's used. The privacy section lets you adjust things like data collection, personalization, and your activity history. Now, scroll down within the privacy section until you see an option related to clear history. This is usually labeled clearly and may be grouped with other data or activity controls. Take your time scrolling so you don't miss it, especially if there are a lot of options on your screen. When you find the clear history option, select it. Reddit will then present a set of on-screen prompts. These prompts might ask you to confirm that you really want to clear your history, and they may explain what exactly will be removed, such as recent searches or viewed posts. Read the information carefully so you understand what you're clearing. Follow the on-screen instructions step by step. This might involve tapping a confirmation button, selecting which type of history you want to clear, or agreeing to a final confirmation message. Once you complete these prompts, Reddit will process the request and clear your history based on the options you chose. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon, going into settings, opening the privacy section, and using the clear history option, you can quickly manage and clean up your Reddit history whenever you need.